Adriana, why are you doing this now? So, sitting there. Okay. I'm getting really dizzy after this, guys. Maybe we'll make it to the movie theater and we'll like pass on the parking lot.
Oh no, Adriana and Ashley are busy blowing. So.
Ashley, your phone's ringing. And there's the boat Ashley bought. That was a great idea because she bought bottles of wine and glasses for this two-seater boat that can fit apparently 5 people in it.
Look at all that progress.
I am making progress. Never mind, still want to end them all.
Okay. Minor adjustments.
We're gonna see a movie. Hey?
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 Canadian? Oh no, Ashley. Where? There's Ashley.
I think she's doing a head roll.
Yeah, I don't know. Andre, you gonna join the Airfest?
Wow.
Looks like nothing really is happening except on Adriana's side, but she's
And we have
died.
Adriana in the lead.
Ashley, please, Ashley.
I think she's Hurry.
There's a massive grape pinata. That looks like it could be a costume. Well done. And with that, I'm going to end it.